That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. They have run the first one quick. Wonderful fielding. That will lift the spirits of the fielding side.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Pacer introduced from the other end.
There is a fielder at cover.
Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
And he helps himself to a six. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That is a very quick single taken.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
He drew the batsman into playing that shot and it took the edge. Smart piece of bowling. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to his field. crease has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get this series. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. He drew the batsman into playing that shot and it took the edge. Smart piece of bowling. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
Deep point in place.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. Pacer introduced from the other end. Slips in place. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, that must have really hurt. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Change in the bowling. Pacer being brought back.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That has made some serious damage.
Slips in place. They are calling for two. That is outstanding fielding.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
That's six. Picked up the length very early.
is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Missed that completely. Last ball of the innings coming up. Chance of a run out, and that looks very close. The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up for the change.